So even if I plug the unit in to its own power here, you get the charging indication. This device has no problem charging off of the USB port. All of my USBs are seeming to work with no problem at all. The battery capacity seems to have no issues. I can charge my cell phone like 1,000,000 times off of this thing, but I can't pull anything off this backside. So something with the capacitor here, not charging my drone battery. So this is what it looks like when it's plugged into a wall. And I'll even just restart it just to see what we can do. We got a red light again. No charge indication. Can try a different outlet here. So we're plugged in a different outlet. No charge indication. We can give it a restart just to try it out. Red light, and keep in mind we even have our power outlet. We're plugged in even. And I'll make sure that we're not using any extra juice so we don't have to. Try one more time. Yeah, red light, no charge. It's a red light. Okay, so we're plugged in here. We aren't charging, we're not getting any current off of this. Whereas if I plug this into the wall, you'll see that you get the charging indication right away.